England's most decorated clubs go head-to-head in the Emirates FA Cup 5th round. It's Chelsea versus Liverpool. Between them, these two clubs have won this prestigious trophy 15 times. The last meeting in this competition was at Wembley in 2012. The Blues walking off with the prize that day. And they have since won another. Whilst Liverpool haven't claimed an FA Cup since Steven Gerrard wrote a line into the Cup's glorious story in 2006. Chelsea was 2-1 here to Liverpool in the Premier League. Rudiger didn't expect it. And Chelsea will be happy to play out in by Robertson and work for Mane.
Danger area, just tries to hit through the back of the ball.
Here's Pedro on that energetic side of first row. There's no flag here. It's a brilliant touch from the experienced Spaniard.
As well, he does well in the air for a player that's not particularly big.
It was his flicking. Origi. Well,
just got in front of the ball, Mane, although there was an arm. Oh, I don't think there was in the end. Azpilicueta, not too many people beat him, and it's a decent cross.
Mane looking for a bit of... Mane's in again. Give it away in their own half. And Barkley. Oh, that... Will that fly this time? No. And Willian! Parried by Adrian. Well, they have broken through, and Adrian has to look at himself. Willian this time can take the congratulations. In the 13th minute. Unlucky number 13 for Chelsea. Has suddenly found a bit. There's the kneeler. It's over the wall and it's
away from the goal in the end. Was it underneath the crossbar? Probably not, as it
isn't Marcus Alonso. It's certainly a great stop by...
There's the first one.
So there we are. It's a tale of two goalkeepers. Giroud, Kovacic, and the 19 international, but I believe
there's the second, and there's the third.
Might be in trouble here though, and Arrizabalaga
probably pushes it out into a fairly dangerous area, and then he gets away from the next challenge of Kovacic.
Here's Willian. That's good work.
Area. Van Dijk gets half a touch on it. That's why it was difficult for Willian. Too easy for Willian just to go in between two players.
Barkley can hit it. Barkley drops for Kovacic.
Chelsea players that made their run into the box. Alonso got out.
Van Dijk to knock it down. Listen, leads it. Dijk can get free. It's in towards the near post, and then
Minamino makes the run. It comes off Barkley. Seems to be too much contact, but just struggling here. This is where he gets it. He's just getting forward. Mane's trying to make runs in behind or in between them. Ready to mount. And Barkley cross towards, screaming for it, bends it into a dangerous area. He was being one of them.
Well, Arrizabalaga has produced a number of good saves. Chelsea 1-0 up. Straight into great organiser, on-field organiser. So only one substitute. And in the end it hits.
And he looks for the cutback, and it was Williams that was coming in on that right.
Again for Robertson's delivery. Cut back by Lallana.
Not quite the right cutback there. Lallana.
He was in at the beginning of it.
Oh, quite clear here. Gilmore tries to play it round, and 40,000 people shouted handball.
About to get it up and down over the wall, but he goes for the clip. Been in front for 34 minutes. It's a foul.
It's a foul, absolutely. He just does
ground, but he leaves it for Mount. Oh,
and had it been on target or underneath with a top spin on it, but not quite enough. come down in time. Yeah, good take.
Pedro to the right. He plays him now. Not going to play him now. He's going to bang it into the back of the net. And the Liverpudlian puts Liverpool 2-0 behind in the FA Cup fifth round at Stamford Bridge. Ex-Everton, very much in the blue now of Chelsea. It's a special moment for him. Liverpool in deeper trouble. Pedro for three, but
down, hit it early. Adrian moved his chin up. Williams isn't going to get there, but he also tries, as the goalkeeper's Gomez,
he's never scored. Liverpool looking to get onto the comeback.
His way into the box.
Good race for set up another Chelsea chance, and Alonso, Pedro and Milner sliding in.
I'm never sure it was Mo Salah's fault that he didn't have a good time at Chelsea. It wasn't.